So we just dropped this collection with Marshawn Lynch, Beast Mode, and Cal. So I'm going to show you how you can make a shirt just like this one at merchmarinade.com. All you got to do is go to the website, hit make shirt happen. Let's go pick a fashion shirt. This one's a retail ready, super soft, beautiful t-shirt. That's out our front graphic to it. There we go. Let's pick it. It could be a PNG, an AI file, a PDF, a SVG, EPS, right? So that one's a 6-color design. Let's get it nice and big on the chest right there. Now we're going to go hit our back print, the Cal, Beast Mode. Our file's black, but we can recolor it in the system right here and make it navy for the back. Let's shrink it down just a bit, get it in the upper back region. There we go. Now we got to do our sizes. And again, the more you buy, the cheaper the cost. It helps us do things a little bit more effectively. So you could do a shirt just like this yourself. All you got to do is go to merchmarinade.com and then just make sure it happen, baby. Peace.